Hello and welcome back to LibreCAD tutorial channel. Today I want to draw a very familiar tool in the world. It is a wrench. Okay, as usually for the first, please activate some snap functions in LibreCAD. There are free snap on endpoint, snap center, snap middle, and snap to intersection. Next, I want to start from this part. Okay, it is a polygon. Select polygon tool, polygon. Oh no, sorry. For the first, I think we should create this line, a vertical line. Select vertical and type the length in the box 22 and put the line. Okay, now select polygon tool, polygon sort, COR. Okay, and 1 2 3 4 5 6. Change the number of the polygon is 6. Okay, click left click at the the line and the end of the line. Okay, right click to exit the tool, right click again. Next, create. Okay, I think we should create this circle. Yeah, it is a circle with radius 22. Select circle center with radius and type the radius in the box 22. Okay, and the center of the circle is okay. Okay, put the circle. Okay, this part is same. Okay, the center of the circle is okay. Right click to exit the tool. I think we should remove this part. Okay, we will use divide tool. Select divide tool, left click at the circle, the point, the circle again, the point, the circle, the point, and the circle, and the point again. Right click to exit the tool and select the unnecessary parts from the circles and delete. Okay, next create this arch. Okay, it is a circle with radius 44. Okay, select circle center with radius and type the radius in the box 44. Okay, this is the center of the circle. Oh, we don't have the circle. Sorry. SC or press escape on your keyboard. We need to create the center of the circle. Oh, use circle. Select circle center point. It is a big problem, I think. Okay, circle 2 points maybe. Okay, left click. Okay, and left click. Oh, okay, yes. Select again the circle was center with radius and the radius is 44, and left click to put the circle into the position. Right click to exit, and now we will use divide tool. Select divide, left click at the big circle there, left click again, the point. Okay, I think we should continue with this one. Circle, select the circle and left click at the point. Oh, where's the point? Select the circle again and left click at the point, right click. No, we can delete unnecessary parts. Okay, next create the small circle at the right side. Okay, first draw this line. The length is 132. Select horizontal line and type the length in the box, 132. Select snap point start, left click, okay, and right click to exit the tool. Now draw the small circle. Select circle, center with radius. The radius for the circle, oh, the diameter is 15, so the radius will be 15 divided by 2. Okay, left click to put the circle, right click to exit the tool. Okay, now okay, there is another circle outside. The diameter is 15. Select circle, center with radius, and type the radius in the box, 15. Left click at the circle, right click. Okay, now okay, I want to create this part. Oh, I think we should use vertical line. Select vertical and type the length 100. Select snap point middle, left click at the center of our small circle there. Okay, okay, now right click to exit the tool. Okay, okay, now select 2 points line. We will draw line from this point to the point like this. Okay, right click to exit and left click, right click to exit again. Now select extend to lengthen tool to extend the line, lengthen. Okay, type the length 100. Okay, left click at the line we want to extend, left click again. Okay, now right click to exit the tool, and now draw line. Use 2 points. Okay, left click, okay, left click again, right click to exit. Okay, next. Right click to exit, right click again. Okay, next I think we should use trim tool. Select trim, left click at the circle and the line you want to trim. Okay. Right click, now left click at the vertical line and left click at the circle. Okay. Right click to exit, right click again. Okay, we can delete unnecessary parts from this drawing, maybe. Okay, yes. Okay, now I want to remove this part. Select divide tool, left click at the arch and the point, the arch and the point. Right click, now select the part and delete. Okay, the last touch, select all the shape and join all the shape with create polyline from existing segments. Okay, now select all the shape, select hatch tool, mark solid fill. Okay, we need to change the color. Select the hatching area and select attributes. Okay, select color, change the color into dark yellow maybe. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy our video from LibreCAD tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel to support us to develop our channel. Thank you very much. See you in next video. Bye.